Lyndal Roper is one of the foremost scholars of early modern Europe and an outstandingly original historian. Born in Melbourne, Australia in 1956, Professor Lyndal Roper was the first woman and the first Australian appointed to the Regius Chair of History at Oxford University, United Kingdom. After studying at the universities of Melbourne and Tübingen, Germany, she gained a PhD in history from King's College London and worked at Royal Holloway, University of London. She is an elected fellow of several national academies, including the Berlin-Brandenburg Academy of Sciences and Humanities. Roper is one of the pioneers of cultural and social history research in three areas: the witch hunts of the Reformation era, the Peasants' War, and previously unexplored aspects of Martin Luther's biography. Her work is path-breaking in its combining of gender, embodiment, and psychosocial history. Roper's witty, vibrant, and evocative writing style is both empirically rigorous and theoretically sophisticated. It speaks to a broad, international, interdisciplinary readership and resonates with the contemporary context. Roper's numerous publications include the 1989 Holy Household, examining the effects of the Reformation on gender relations and the scope for action open to women in a 16th century imperial city. Her publications on witches, including Witch Craze, Terror and Fantasy in Baroque Germany, 2004, and The Witch in Western Imagination, 2012, have shifted popular understandings. Roper shows that witches were central to the ways in which early modern society imagined itself, so studying them illuminates societal beliefs, fears, and hopes. Her biographical work, including the 2012 Der Feiste Doktor and Martin Luther, Renegade and Prophet 2016, is equally transformative. Roper's examination of Luther's use of vulgar language, as well as his verbal pugilism, rampant anti-Semitism, physicality, and self-presentation, helps to explain his theology in new ways. Her most recent book, Summer of Fire and Blood, The German Peasants' War, won the 2025 Kundil History Prize. Roper's psychohistorical approach challenges previously established assumptions about early modernity. Her analysis of both the body and the psyche of historical actors has influenced the broad discipline of history and historical methodology. In recognition of her inspiring, dynamic teaching and generous support of graduate students and early career researchers, the Faculty of History have established the Regius Prize for the best piece of historical research by an early career or fixed-term researcher at the University of Oxford. She is internationally celebrated for her ability to communicate historical findings to expert and broader audiences. Lyndal Roper is a highly worthy recipient of the 2026 Holberg Prize.